We always like different takes on smartwatches, but you're looking at this thinking, well, that's not a smartwatch. Maybe it's a hybrid smartwatch. Definitely doesn't have a display. Well, you're completely wrong. This is a proper smartwatch, and it does have a display. This is the Oskron, an unusual name. It's apparently taken from German. That means almost watch. But we'll have to have some German speakers verify that for us. But this is one of the most unusual smartwatches we've seen in a while. This one here is a non-working version. This one is a working version. So you want to see where that display is, right? It's there. How cool is that? Because with it switched off, we'll wait for that to disappear, you can't tell it's there at all. It's a very impressive piece of technology. That's going to disappear. There we go. Now you tell me that there's a screen there, because it really doesn't look like it at all. So in terms of functionality, well, it's what you'd expect from a smartwatch. You get your notifications, and notifications all appear on this little screen at the bottom here. It will show you the time of the day, obviously. It counts your steps. This is also a proper, fully functioning compass. The company that makes this actually supplies compass watch mechanisms to other manufacturers in the smartwatch industry, and it's very accomplished at doing so. It can put it in there without messing up the rest of the watch, so it's actually fairly impressive. Because it's got a compass inside, this can use navigation. It's ideal if you program in navigation on your phone, then it syncs across to your watch and you don't have to look at your phone for navigation. A common thing for smartwatches, but usually it only mirrors what's on your phone. It doesn't have a compass in there at all. So this is great as a navigation tool if you're out hiking or if you're driving or anything like that. The top button here is for Find My iPhone, Find My Phone rather, not just iPhone, because it uses iOS and Android for the app, so you can use this watch whatever smartphone you use. It is quite a chunky beast. It's also fairly heavy because this is a full metal body. It's a mineral glass cover over the top. These three buttons on the side, which actually have a wonderful motion. Actually, it's genuinely watch-like, and it's obvious that the company behind this knows watches, because when you look at it and when you feel it, when you use it, it feels like a watch. There's a ton of different options for case and for strap. You don't have to worry if this one doesn't appeal. There's lots of different versions. This is just one of the others with the black case and the fabric strap. Again, quite chunky. But as you saw on my wrist, it really doesn't look gigantic if you have regular sized wrists. But in the future, the company is going to come out with a smaller version so that it is not quite as large on those with slimmer wrists. That's definitely a good thing. We see so few smartwatches that think about smaller wrists. Well, this one definitely is. So, where can you get the Oskron? Well, you can buy it online. You're going to have to get it ordered in from elsewhere. It don't sell it directly in the US. And at the moment it costs €500, probably going to work out to be about $500 too. So it is quite pricey, but when you consider the technology that's inside, you're getting a proper watch and you're getting a smartwatch too with a proper hidden display that we'd probably never get tired of looking at. It's not bad value, particularly when you look at regular watch prices generally. So that is the Oskron Smartwatch. You're concerned about the battery inside. It's going to last about a week, so it's not even too terrible as far as smartwatches go. And cleverly, this charging system here has got a clip, so when you put the charger on, it clips into place, and it's not going to fall off like some of those magnetic ones that aren't quite strong enough to survive. So we're quite impressed generally with the Oskron Smartwatch. We've taken a look at this at CES 2019, and you can buy it online right now if you like the look of this really quite cool smartwatch.